2006 Caravan. The Dodge Caravan invented the minivan, offering an especially useful amount of room in a surprisingly easy-to-drive package. The Caravan quickly became the new synonym for family transportation and spawned competitors from all sides. This vehicle has less than 80,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power steering, air conditioning, front, cruise control, AM/FM stereo radio, FWD, power door locks, trip odometer, bucket seats, CD player, clock. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.